is the breakfast area. For me it is complimentary. Juice, cornflakes, this is tea, coffee. For breakfast, complimentary. Afterwards we have to pay for that. So this is a toaster, eggs, boiled eggs, honey, jam, butter, fresh fruits, bacon, everything. Breakfast for today. Juice is also available. So breakfast area, people having breakfast in the morning. So nice view. There is a school in front of this hostel. Just I will go and record. See the school. It's a big area, so we can sit and enjoy. Having breakfast and people are going to school. This is the restaurant reception. These are the seating area. People had breakfast. School children have come here, so maybe for their vacation. This is the reception. I'm checking out now. So this is the restaurant area. Breakfast finished. This is the breakfast area. Still people eating breakfast. So this is the lift I have to take to go it is 5 floors. So you can see this is my room 109. I have shown yesterday. So 110, 111, 112, and these are the toilets. So separate for women and men. So this is the shower rooms. The ladies separate and gents separate. So for gents, this is the toilets, 227 room number. This is for disabled toilet, bathroom. This is for staff members, this room. This is 106. So excellent. See, 104, 103, and again same toilets here for ladies separate, gents separate. And this is 102, and this is 101. So it's backyard area. So each floor layout will be like this. So for 5 floors. So this is also steps. So only one floor. I am checking out. I will take these steps and I will check out. I can't go too much deep inside, but this is the main entrance. And I saw people, kids going around 8 o'clock in the morning. So this is a school area. Nice building. Excellent. All sports facilities, games facilities, classrooms, school building. Everything is out from my hostel. So now it is 9:25 a.m. I just missed one train because it is a bit like 10 minutes walk. If I walk slowly, I have a train at 9:43. S1, that is suburban. S4, sorry. So at least I will try to catch that next train 9:43 a.m. So I have still time, but I have to walk fast because I have a suitcase in my hand. So this is the same neighborhood which I walked yesterday in the night. See how beautiful it is. So Zurich is the biggest city in Switzerland, but still it is very neat. No rubbish, no garbage on the streets, no pollution. So excellent maintenance. So everyone takes responsibility of recycling garbage, throwing garbage, and keeping neighborhoods very clean and tidy. So that's why Switzerland is very neat, and people all over the world would love to like to visit Switzerland because of its neatness, because of its natural beauty, and its trains, buses. See how excellent bus is. So now I am walking towards station. Same red building, excellent. I saw yesterday night. This is one trolley bus. 9:22. Train station, Brunau. Now it is 9:30. My train, you can see, 9:43. S4 going to Zurich. HB. HB means Hauptbahnhof. Via Salz, Portale, Lieshubel and Selnau. So one more train going that way. S4 9:44. So they both meet here probably. So this is the scenery at railway station, like suburban train station close to my hostel. So you can see the mountains, trees and highway. So it is early morning, busy. So all people going to Flughafen, Winterthur city. Flughafen means Zurich airport. Winterthur is a suburban town. So you can see all beautiful trees and also trees here everywhere. So this is a bridge I took and those steps I took to come here. So I have to wait maybe 10 minutes in the station. This is the station platform. Platform 1 going to Zurich. Platform 2 going opposite direction, like Langnau, Adisville. So this is platform 1, 9:33. So train in next 10 minutes. You can see both the watches are showing same time, including seconds. Train S4 is coming, suburban train going to Zurich after Bonham. It's only 6 minutes or 8 minutes journey. So I have a train at 10:02, like 10:02, to go to Zermatt via Brig.
Kieshügel.
This is Zurich. I got down from this train. It is 9:52. So I have a train to like Zermatt via Brig. I have to change at Brig. So at 10:02 from platform 31. So I have 10 minutes, but I have to rush. I can see platform 31, 34, that direction. So I have to go a bit fast, and I want a window seat in upper deck. So I have to be there maybe earlier, as soon as possible, so that I get a better seat. So now I am going to platform 31. So Gliese means platform. Main platforms area. So I have to go left for 31 and 34. So you can see 31 and 34. So I have to go down a bit not far, but I don't have much time, so I have to rush because I don't want to miss the train, 10 to train to Brick. So you can see train 10 to platform 31 going to Brick IC8. So it goes to via Bonn, Thun, Spies. So same area, same places which I stayed for 3 nights. So it will go up to Spies and then take a turn to Brick. So this is the train. Train is ready at platform 31. So sorry sir. Sorry sir. Okay. Going to Brick. This is going to Brick. These are big passengers. I have to get into second class. Excellent train. One of my favorite trains. This is first class. So at the end is second class. All 4 carriers at the end. First 3 coaches are first class and next 4 coaches are second class. So I have still 4 minutes time, but I will just stop recording and I will still I got 3 minutes time. So I got a window seat in forward direction.
ఛానల్ ఇంకా సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోకపోతే ఛానల్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, నోటిఫికేషన్స్ కోసం బెల్ ఐకాన్ నొక్కండి, లైక్ చేయండి, కామెంట్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.